Hello there, my name is Ollie from 4x4 and today I have the SK73 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this one here is the new shape model and it does come to you with cruise control, hands-free calling and voice assist, as well as dual air conditioning, heated seats, lumbar support, electric seats for the front two passengers, as well as satellite navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, multiple reversing cameras, different towing modes, off-road modes, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, low range, as well as an automatic transmission in there as well. Now we'll just show you the back three seats as well, also leather with that lovely Wildtrak theming embroidery on them. And I will just show you the load area in the back of this double cab pickup truck. Now, as you can see, plenty of space in the back. Just here, we do have a nice convenient 12 volt in the back as well. And now is the time to buy one of these, as the category this is at the moment is a commercial vehicle, whereas in April it will become a car, meaning the benefit in kind tax rate changes, meaning you'll have to pay a little bit more money in tax if you are a commercial buyer. If you'd like to find out more about this vehicle, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link's in the description below. Or you can head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles.